This hinge joint flashcard is given in the description box and quiz link is also given in the description box. Hinge joint. A spoon shaped surface of one bone fits into the concave cavity of the other bone. A hinge joint is a type of joint that allows movement in only one direction, similar to the opening and closing of a door. It allows back and forth movement in one plane only. In a hinge joint, the rounded end of one bone fits into the hollow or concave surface of another bone, allowing movement in one direction only. Hinge joints helps in bending and straightening movements such as walking, lifting or running.